In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Vodafone UK SIM card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to activate a standard physical SIM card or an eSIM card from Vodafone. You will be able to get this done on any device, so iOS or Android. The process is going to be exactly the same. So all that you have to do to activate it is to first, if you have a physical SIM card, put it inside of the SIM tray. So for this one, just use some sort of tool to remove the SIM tray from your device, and after you have the SIM tray out, with the device powered off, you can insert your Vodafone SIM card inside. With it properly inserted, put it back inside of the phone, and usually this will be enough to activate the card. Vodafone SIM cards are set up from the get-go, but you might also get a pop-up like this. If this is your first time powering on the device, maybe you acquired it from Vodafone directly, and all that you have to do here is choose the option to unlock the SIM card. Then you will be asked to input some sort of information like your PIN, and as long as you input it here, you will be good to go. So input the PIN that usually arrives with your SIM card and activate it. If you don't have access to this PIN, the best course of action is to talk to their customer support, either at a physical store or by calling them. Alternatively, if you have an eSIM, then you will be able to get this done by accessing the settings on your mobile device, choosing the mobile service or cellular options, and then inside you can find the option to add a new eSIM. You can also convert a pre-existing physical SIM into an eSIM, so just choose whichever option you see here. Once you choose the option related to your eSIM, you can proceed, so you can transfer from another device or use a QR code, which usually is going to be the option that most people will select. With the QR code present, you just have to scan it and let this process finish. Alternatively, you might also get this prompt the first time that you power it on your device. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Vodafone UK SIM card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.